Gotta wish your mother good night, boys. Be right back.
I never wish my mother good night.
You chat might want to. It might be there last night.
What?
All right, Nessie, come here. Take your pick.
Ooh. Ha, nerd. Sorry guys, I was dying.
Guys, there's a whole squad of
I
lotto.
see him. I got
Where?
him.
Where they
Chat,
at?
literally, you die every time.
Oh
you
shit.
die. One time you
Chat,
don't die.
chat,
Like
chat,
I
chat,
said.
where
you
I
at?
was about to say,
Why?
if you don't die this time, then good job. But nah. Hold on, I gotta reget. I'm gonna fly over there and smack all of
Got
them.
one down. Bro, what the fuck? How they not dead?
Watch your jet! Watch your jet!
Watch your jet! Watch your jet! No, all of them?
Oh
Yeah, that's all
no,
of
the
them.
voices. Don't you like grandmas? You know, gilfs. I love gilfs.
Bro, is that? That's the guy hacking. He's hacking. They don't want to see that. They don't want to see that.
Yeah, he's hacking.
Hey,
There's no one to see that guy flying around. There's no one to see that guy.
Colin.
Chat, it's not that hard. It's so laggy trying to jump on those.
So it's not that hard. Wow. Okay. Thanks for telling me.
Bro, there's a guy
I mean,
hacking.
it's not that easy.
Guys, do you guys not see the guy hacking? Dude, I
Oh,
still
man.
can't get over Milo's playing this game. I can't, dude. Ooh.
We have to jerk each other off now.
Ooh, I like
Alright,
that.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, just dip.
Bro, I can't, dude. I can't, dude. I had played this game like 3 years, bro. Bro, this dude is ass, bro. Back up, bro.
What?
I hit him again. Dude, all I doing is throwing
Oh, I'm dead, I'm
grenades, dude.
Damn, Colin, get him.
Dude, I shot this guy so many times, bro. Die, please, bro.
I'm dead.
Oh no.
These kids are so garbage, dude. People don't know how to build anymore.
Bro. They all have shield, dude. I got one down. Wait, we're all
Literally,
dead.
no one knows how to build anymore.
Oh, Mino's alive. Like, sneak in the corner, bro. Revive us.
We will get it on the night.
Good job,
I'm
go,
gonna
go.
stay in- And then whoever gets out.
Alright, don't.
I don't know how to build anything. It's so stupid. I spent all this time learning how to
Bro,
build just
are
for
you-
this freaking bot to freaking shoot me down.
This dude is trash. This dude's doing his sprint. Like, you got nothing better to do in your life, bro.
You gotta go, you gotta go. Zone, 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 zone.
Go.
Run. What a bot. Oh my god, these kids are so bad.
Damn.
He
GG,
just
man.
sat there with a minigun, dude. Oh.
Like, dude, they're actually just so bad, dude.
Dude,
Oh really? I thought this was an SMG.
Bro, I'm dead.
Maybe I'll take that just in case.
Dude, like, why?
Bro, what's the fluff in my?
Oh.
this is
Cool,
why I
bro.
hate landing places like this.
Are
This is
you
why I
good?
hate they make challenges to land places like this, because you never get any loot and you just act like kids that pick up shotguns first. Yeah, you act
You
like
sound like you're
27.
3 feet in the ground.
Ooh.
Ah,
Feeding your
Bro, I
mom.
thought it was like 12 feet.
ah.
Or 12 feet in the ground.
It's 6. Okay.
Juvadre un salad.
What did you just say in African?
Un salad. What did you just say in African?
Actually, it's French. Get it right.
I'm sorry, I didn't take Spanish.
Quel er estil?
Oh, there is
A
one.
Plutarch.
Comment est-ce t'appelles de toilette?
Combien?
Combien c'est?
Un steak frites.
Guess what it was? It was a freaking gold spaz.
You're a spaz.
Ooh. Who took my chest?
Me.
I built all the way up here for some faggot name. I mean,
Yo, I'm on Twitch right now.
from dude named.
You know
like-
how Twitch is.
Oh, I'm gonna shoot it.
Well,
I can't make that voice. You can probably make that voice pretty good. The really deep voice when he says that. You know that meme?
Well,
wait.
hold on. If you're black, can you say the N-word? Does Twitch care if you're black and you say the N-word?
No, freaking
No.
what's that guy's name? Etika. Etika said it,
Etika.
and he got banned.
Huh? So they do care.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, so-
racist.
That's
Well,
racist.
what if I identify as a non-racist black person? Will that
Think
work?
it's- Still counts, Chad.
Oh, I can't identify.
What if that's what you identify as?
Isn't that how things work nowadays?
In 2018? Probably.
Yeah. Or
No.
Hell no. If I saw that. Wait, we're on Twitch, never mind.
Hey,
Gas
man.
chamber.
I bet me know what it says. Something. Right there, lads. Right there. I'm throwing those grenades. I'm throwing those grenades.
Chad, watch out. There's a lot of them.
Oh god, I know. Oh my gosh, I have no more map. Later, boys. I'm dead.
Bro, these dudes are so try-hard, bro. And a fucking ass, dude. What the heck, bro? How many are there? It doesn't matter if you have long hair or big boobs. If you like dick, that means they're women or gay. Oh my god, I hate this society.
You guys ever try Gardetto's quality?
Okay, I'm gonna try to kill these bots for you guys, alright? Since they want to be freaking losers.
It's kind of weird for me. I
Colin, what is that?
I'm sorry that plane stopped like a freaking wall when I hit a person. It's a person. Remember 9/11? It didn't freaking hit a building and it went through.
Oh my gosh.
Well, also last they had freaking AC-130s to crash into.
All right. It's a freaking person on the floor bleeding out, and I slam into an airplane. You should not act like a freaking solid wall. I can literally fly through walls in this game, all right? But when there's a person on the ground, oh no, no. Oh my gosh, a freaking solid wall.